Today we will learn the 12 zodiacs in Finnish, and this time in the unscramble mode. We will have a video of all the four modes, and if you want more comprehensive explanations about the grammar and everything, check out the video when it's available in multi-option mode. But now, let's start. Okay, so I don't have the audios, so that's why I'm going to read them. But when the app is finished, hopefully this year, 2026, it will have audio so you could hear all the questions and answers in audios. So we have the picture here. We can click it, zoom into it. And the question is, sinun pikkusiskosi syntyi joulukuun puolivälissä. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Your little sister was born in the middle of December. What is her zodiac sign? Minun pikkusiskoni horoskooppimerkki on jousimies. My little sister's zodiac sign is Sagittarius. And like I mentioned, whenever I have the multi-option mode video here, there will be like an explanation button here available when we have explanations, and then we will explain all the grammar, like word by word, why all these words are in these forms, and also some etymology or facts about the zodiacs. Second question. Minun äitini syntyi huhtikuun alussa. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? My mother was born at the beginning of April. What is her zodiac sign? Sinun äitisi horoskooppimerkki on Oinas. Your mother's zodiac sign is Aries. Next one. Teidän tyttärenne syntyi elokuun lopussa. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Your daughter was born at the end of August. What is her zodiac sign? Meidän tyttäremme horoskooppimerkki on neitsyt. Our daughter's zodiac sign is Virgo. So, neitsyt, Virgo. Pojan isä syntyi toukokuun puolivälissä. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? The boy's father was born in the middle of May. What is his zodiac sign? Hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä on kaksonen. His zodiac sign is Gemini. Next question. Sinun pikkuveljesi syntyi huhtikuun lopussa. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Pikkuveljeni horoskooppimerkki on härkä. My little brother's zodiac sign is Taurus. You could also say minun pikkuveljeni. I think I might actually write that as the default answer. You can omit that, but it would be good to. Minun pikkuveljeni. Yeah, it's correct already, but I think for a learner it would be good to have that, because in the explanations I would mention then that you can omit the possessive pronoun. And next one. Heidän isoveljensä syntyi lokakuun ensimmäisellä viikolla. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Their big brother was born in the first week of October. What is his zodiac sign? Heidän isoveljensä horoskooppimerkki on Vaaka. Their big brother's zodiac sign is Libra. Next one. Minun pikkusiskoni syntyi marraskuun alussa. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? My little sister was born at the beginning of November. What is her zodiac sign? Sinun pikkusiskosi horoskooppimerkki on Skorpioni. Your little sister's zodiac sign is Scorpio. Hänen vaimonsa syntyi tammikuun ensimmäisenä päivänä. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? His wife was born on the first day of January. What is her zodiac sign? Hänen vaimonsa horoskooppimerkki on Kauris. His wife's zodiac sign is Capricorn. Next one. Teidän naapurinne syntyi maaliskuun 3. päivänä. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Your neighbor was born on March 3rd. Or should it be 3rd of March? Oh, yeah, whatever. I'm going to go through all the English translations in some point with actually a native translator, but that's been done when we have all the questions and answers in Finnish and English, and then we just confirm everything is correct. But you can also let me know what, if you're a native speaker, what would you prefer this to be? Meidän naapurimme horoskooppimerkki on kalat. Kalat is the plural, kala is the singular, and I think it's always used in plural. At least that's what I would do myself as a native Finnish speaker. But again, if there's anything, just let me know. I'll then think the best way of phrasing these questions and answers. Okay, next question. Tytön paras ystävä syntyi kesäkuun lopussa. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? The girl's best friend was born at the end of June. What is her zodiac sign? Hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä on rapu. Her zodiac sign is Cancer. And still two to go. Meidän poikamme syntyi heinäkuun viimeisellä viikolla. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Our son was born in the last week of July. What is his zodiac sign? Teidän poikanne horoskooppimerkki on leijona. Your son's zodiac sign is Leo. And actually, that was all, I think. No, one more to go. Hänen miehensä syntyi helmikuun 10. päivänä. Mikä on hänen horoskooppimerkkinsä? Her husband was born on February 10th. What is his zodiac sign? Hänen miehensä horoskooppimerkki on vesimies. Her husband's zodiac sign is Aquarius. So, like you could see in some questions, I mentioned the date, and in some questions only the month, I think, and then like in the beginning or mid or end of the month, and also first week or last week or second week, and I tried to have as many differing question types as possible. And also the answer, yeah, I could have always answered using the okay, here we say hänen miehensä, her husband's, but for example, a few times I use the personal pronouns, and we could have used the noun instead, but I think it was good like this. But let me know what you think about this. If there's still something to improve in the phrasing of the questions and answers. So, like I said, it's the app is in development. I'm going now through. This is kind of proofreading and teaching at the same time. So hopefully this year, 2026, the app will be published and have at least 5,000 question answer pairs with explanations. The big goal is to provide 10,000, but I'm not sure if I can make it. But yeah, we will try. We have the waiting list link, and if you're interested testing the app, then please sign up, and you will find more information there. Also, I have to mention the app is not going to be free. That's why we share for free all the YouTube videos and the content of the app if you don't want to pay anything. But anyways, the testing is definitely free, and you will see how it works, and then we would message you when the app is ready, and you have already by then tested the app, and then we just let you know when the app is um, published, so you can start using it if you want. All right, see you in the next video.